Welcome to this technical guide on the future of energy storage, safety, and performance. We will explore solid-state versus lithium-ion batteries and what this revolution means for electricians. First, let's understand the current standard, the lithium-ion battery. This technology powers everything from our cars to our tools and large-scale grid storage. The lithium-ion battery uses a liquid or gel electrolyte, which is often flammable. Ion transfer occurs through a separator, and the liquid nature requires complex cooling systems due to thermal limits. Safety is critical. At 150 degrees Celsius, the internal separator melts, causing thermal runaway, chemical release, and fire. For electricians, this necessitates strict containment and fire suppression protocols in current installations. Solid-state technology moves beyond the liquid barrier. A solid electrolyte replaces the liquid and separator, eliminating flammable fluids and significantly reducing fire risk. This allows for higher capacity and greater thermal tolerance. Internally, the key change is replacing the liquid electrolyte with a solid ceramic or polymer layer. This acts as both the electrolyte and the separator, enabling denser energy packing and higher thermal stability. A technical comparison highlights the advantages. Solid-state batteries are non-flammable, offer more than double the energy density, charge in 10 to 15 minutes, and are projected to last over 5,000 cycles. The energy density performance gap is significant. A solid-state battery can deliver 500 plus watt-hour per kilogram, which is twice the range or uptime of current lithium-ion batteries for the same size, making installations much easier. The roadmap to mass adoption begins with advanced lab testing now, moving to high-end electric vehicles and industrial storage by 2028. Wide consumer and residential availability is expected from 2030 onward. Electricians should note several changes. Simplified thermal management will allow passive cooling. Lighter modules will ease residential installs. Safety codes may allow batteries to be installed closer to infrastructure. Higher current charging will require higher gauge cabling. Solid-state technology is considered by industry experts to be the final piece of the puzzle for a fully electric economy, fundamentally changing how we store and manage energy.